What's going on, guys? This is David here with you again. Good morning. Man, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's the ultimate goal. We're almost halfway there. We're at like 436, 437. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, because the sooner we can get to 1,000, the sooner we can get to that threshold here on YouTube. But we got about 19 calls on everybody's schedule today. I got 7. I got an ice maker, a couple refrigerators, a dishwasher, and a gas oven. I just found a app on my phone that I can do some editing on my phone, and so I can be more detailed in some of the videos that I'm bringing and show you more of the repairs and troubleshooting. And so it's going to be great. You may see a watermark in a couple of the videos. Alright, on this refrigerator here, it appears it looks like it's having a good pattern, but it's borderline of choking off the airflow for it to cool down properly. So we're going to have to steam it. We are going to be replacing the thermistor in this refrigerator. Here's the thermistor, and this is what it looks like. We cut the old one out and put the new one in with butt connectors. This refrigerator has given us multiple problems, so we're also replacing the control board. Alright guys, it starts to... When defrosting a refrigerator, you need to make sure that you fully defrost it all the way, not leaving any ice. So now we're headed to Navarre. We got 2 jobs that we got to do for a property management company. One is an ice maker, and I believe the other is a refrigerator or maybe a dishwasher. As you can see here, the clean light and filter needs to be changed. The issue was we're not getting water pumping in, so we go to check the valve. I removed the front panel to expose the water valve and also the condenser. You can see it needs to be cleaned also. To check the water valve, we put our meter on voltage to see if 120 was coming to it. 120 was coming to the water valve. So if the proper voltage was coming to the water valve, we know it's bad. Alright guys, so we are on a dishwasher, and the dishwasher is not, it's powering on, it's filling, but it's not wanting to fire up the circulation pump. It did at one time and then it stopped. So what we did was we pulled out the dishwasher, and right here in front of me, this right here, is going to be your circulation pump. We pulled this harness off out of it to see if we had 120 coming out of it. If we got 120 coming out of it, that means that the control board's fine, but we need to replace the circulation pump. That's it on this one. So far we have worked on a refrigerator, an ice maker, and a dishwasher. Had a pretty good drive from a previous job to my next one, so we got a little bit of time on the road. It's going to eat up some of our schedule, but that's okay. I gotta go to the parts house, and I gotta go get a condenser fan motor, and I believe I got a couple other parts I gotta pick up. But we're fixing to go work on a washer and put this condenser fan motor in, and then I got an oven range. The customer said that it sparked and then it quit working, and then I got the gas oven that I gotta put switches in. So that's what's next on the agenda. Appreciate y'all tagging along. Got her in the wind, boys. We got her in the wind. So this is the condenser fan motor that we're going to change. The condenser fan motor is not moving the air off the condenser, which is going to cause the walls to get hot, and also the temperature not to be correct. So that we're going to change it. You got your 3 screws that's holding it in. This is what we call a can condenser. You see here we got the condenser fan out, and we spliced the wires to put the new one in. So now we're headed to go and defrost the drain that's on the refrigerator. Hopefully it'll be easy to get to. We're a little bit behind on schedule today. I got 2 more to do. We just had to remove this panel to get to the drain to unclog it. This beauty here was at the house we unclogged the drain on. So this is the oven that we're on, and we found a burn here on the relay. And so what we're going to do for the customers, we're going to send it off to Texas to a company that repairs board, because unfortunately this one's discontinued. And we're moving on to the next one. So it's approximately 6:20 in the evening, and we are headed to our last one. This is the gas range that I'm going to put the infinite switches on. Wish me luck. So this is the beast that we're working on. Alright guys, we made it home. We got in probably about 7:45. We had a pretty good day today, but I appreciate you guys tagging along. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Again, our goal is try to get to 1,000 subscribers, but I hope this video was helpful. There's more to come. We're going to do this every day. Y'all take care.